Hi everyone, welcome back. We have come such a long way, so let's make it better with today's video. Today it's all about the 2021 guide on how to create a funnel with Funnelytics. Now let's get things started with Mr. Antonio.
Hello guys, welcome to this class about funnels, and it's very important for you to understand what funnels are. This is something you're gonna see in your entire marketing career, in all the marketing agencies you're gonna work with all the marketing clients you're gonna have, etc, etc, etc. So the funnel is just a visual representation of the stages of awareness within your digital marketing structure. Actually, it can be even an offline marketing structure. It can be just your business marketing structure overall. Okay, so there's a very simple concept. Why do we have a funnel? Why isn't another format? Why isn't a triangle, or why isn't anything else? Well, first, actually for three main reasons. First, funnel, because as the name suggests, it gets more and more filtered. So there's in a way the idea of filtering the general public up until they buy. So there's the idea of the customer journey. And of course, the customer journey always starts with the general awareness. And if you want to really be very exhaustive, the customer journey starts when he hasn't heard of you, hasn't heard of your marketing, of your products, etc, etc, etc. So this is when the customer journey starts. And of course, it ends when he purchases. So this is the first idea. The second idea, which is a very, very easy idea to understand, is that usually the funnel has exactly this kind of format. So not exactly this format, but this kind of format. Basically, the lower the step of the funnel, the less there are of people in your funnel. Of course, there are always less people that are going to purchase compared to the people who are just aware in your business. There are always more people who are aware of your business than people who are interested in your business. Always more people who are interested in your business than people who are actually considering making business with your business, etc, 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 etc. So there's a size idea in every step of the funnel. There's a filtering idea in every step of the funnel, and there's a customer journey idea in every step of the funnel. And what you need to understand first is that funnels can be online, offline. Funnels, they need specific approaches to marketing in every step of the funnel. Of course, you wouldn't talk with someone who is in the awareness stage of awareness compared to someone who is in the intent stage of awareness. But they also need different kind of structures, different kind of tools, and different kinds of messagings. I told you that the more precise, the better. One of the questions you should be asking yourself when creating your customer avatars, so all the kinds of customers with whom you can talk to in your message, you need to be thinking about, or at least asking yourself this question: at what stage in the funnel is this person at? So for instance, in Standout's case, if I'm talking about a small business owner who has already tested many different website builders but hasn't found an easy and cheap solution, he's in a different stage of the funnel compared to a business owner who doesn't even know he needs a website. Okay, so one, if he knows our business, maybe he's already in the evaluation stage. For the other, even if he knows our business, so all things equal, maybe he's not even in the interest stage. So it's very important for you to understand this concept so you can understand what kind of tools you're going to need. You see, you have different tools here: email campaigns, classes, newsletters, etc, 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 for every single step in the funnel, and for what kind of messaging you will need. So in this class, I'm going to show you how to actually create your funnel within Funnelytics. In a way, we're going to map it out, not map it out through metrics, which is going to see in one of the further classes, but how to map it out in terms of structure. Okay, so how to map out your customer journey thanks to Funnelytics, and mapping out your funnel through pages, traffic sources, actions, etc, etc. So first, how do you use the platform? Very easily. You see, here it's mostly what you're going to do. You're going to go to icons every time you need to have an icon in your funnel. Every time you need an element in your funnel, you're going to click on icons. As you can see, the categories here already categorized by everything you need as well. So here you have pages, which are the main steps in your digital marketing funnel. Here you have the actions, which are basically the actions you want people to take. unless you have a Windows website, but this is a very specific case. As a beginner, in a direct response marketing perspective, one page, one action, one goal, always. Okay, and then you have the traffic sources, of course, which you're gonna use in the beginning. So you see, I've already done this funnel, but we're gonna recreate this funnel very, very quickly. Of course, I'm gonna be doing it maybe a little bit quicker than you will in the beginning, but you're gonna see it's very, very easy to use. This platform is insanely easy to use. Okay, so just quickly deleting the steps of the funnel. I just wanted you to see how it will look like, so you can maybe try to do with me. While I do it, you can maybe do it with me. I think this can be cool. Once again, following the steps I just showed you, I click on icons. What's the first thing in the funnel? Firstly, do you have a page? Do you have an action? Do you have some traffic source? You have a traffic source to start with. So you'd select traffic. Once you select traffic, you just select the traffic source you want to. To start with, many people, they get email marketing. Many people, they get Facebook ads. Let's pretend we're mapping out a funnel for Facebook ads. So I'm just gonna drag and drop the Facebook here, okay? And then people go to a page. We're gonna do a very direct funnel, a very direct sales funnel. So the first page in the sales funnel is going to be just a landing page. You can just pick any page here. You're going to be able to change the name of the page anyways. So you can just, once again, drag and drop the sales page here. So bam, drag and drop. And when you want to connect two elements in your funnel, you can just, once again, drag and drop the arrow that's going to appear here when you click on every step on the funnel. See, I clicked on the step, I can see an arrow. I click on the step, I can see another arrow. So we go to the Facebook ads, to the sales page. What is the next step of a very direct funnel? A direct funnel is a funnel that wants to bring a sale very quickly. If you entered the order page, you are absolutely correct. So once again, dragging and drop an order page. Okay, now this is where it starts getting tricky. For instance, some people, they like to put a pop-up in the sales page. So when people click to buy, even if they drop off in the order page, so even if they don't order in the order page, they still leave their email beforehand. In this scenario, you would have an opt-in. So let's find the opt-in, contact add to leads. We can say lead here. So lead, and then you just drag and drop the page, the sales page here, lead, become a lead, and then order page, and then she goes to the order page. So very easy concept to understand, but this is something more advanced. Let's just pretend this is the simplest sales funnel that you have ever encountered. So Facebook ad, she goes to sales page, she goes to your order page, and then finally, what's the last thing that's going to happen? Is it a traffic? Is it a page? Is it an action? You want the person to purchase. And that's how you use this platform. Just drag and drop very easily. In the next classes, I'm gonna show you how to make it more customized and to understand every single step of any funnel so that you can actually customize your specific business goal. So I hope you have understood why it's the time now for you to be seeing these more technical classes. You need to map out the conversion rates for every step in the funnel. And the conversion rate is just a fancy way of saying how many people are going to go to the next step. That's what it means, okay? How many people are going to go to the next step? And this is something I'm even going to put into the sheet sheet. I'm going to put conversion rate equal how many people are going to go to the next step. Okay, conversion rate percent, it's a percentage. It times 100, okay? And I'm going to put out of 100. And this for every step in your funnel. So you need to map out, and it's very important, the conversion rates and the associated costs when you're running ads for every step in the funnel. Okay? This is why we do this. This is why you do it. So when you run paid ads, it's profitable, easy peasy. So if you manage to run paid ads profitably, I have no doubt you can get to 6 figures a month. Absolutely no doubt.
I hope you enjoyed that. If you're up for more bootcamps and courses from industry expert, we also have that link ready for you. For any of you looking to build a website, there's a free access to our website builder. And of course, don't forget to join our Facebook group for more updates and be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any future free training from us. Until next time, I'm Alice from Standout.